from this side.
I just got my new Note 20 Ultra, 512 gigabytes. Let's look at it. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Oh, no, just kidding.
Ha 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 ha.
Where's Dad's old phone?
Okay, alright, here's the new phone. Alright, what we have here is like a little plastic film on top. Let's take this off. Wow, that camera bump is huge. Look at this. It's a very big camera bump. Looks very nice. I like the black finish, the black shiny black finish. And there's another plastic film in front. I'm gonna use my new case to put it in to protect the phone.
I like one case.
Okay, baby, that's good.
Bye.
What's turning on?
Little die.
No, it's an Ultra. Let's see what else is in the box here.
I love you, Daddy.
Ultra fast and the charging cable, and that's about it. Let's see if there's anything else in there. I don't think no, there's nothing else in there. So basically, I get the charger and I get the phone. But I'm going to. There's the SIM card tool, and what's here? Instructions, I guess, and the SIM card ejection tool. I'm going to replace the SIM and from my old phone to the new one, and then I'm going to get started.
Daddy, I love you.